In Fort Lauderdale's vibrant neighborhoods, where coastal breezes meet elegant architecture, homeowners take great pride in maintaining a beautiful and inviting exterior. One of the most effective yet often overlooked ways to elevate a home's curb appeal is through door replacement. Beyond the functional benefits of security and insulation, a new door can completely transform a home's facade, enhancing both its aesthetic charm and property value. First impressions start at the door. Your front door serves as the focal point of your home's exterior. It's the first thing guests, neighbors, and potential buyers notice. In Fort Lauderdale's sunny, tropical environment, a worn or faded door can quickly diminish your home's charm. Replacing it with a modern, well-designed option instantly refreshes the entire front elevation. Homeowners today have access to a variety of door styles and materials, from sleek fiberglass doors that resist humidity to rich wooden designs that add warmth and elegance. Choosing a door that complements your home's architectural style, whether coastal, Mediterranean, or contemporary, creates visual harmony that boosts curb appeal instantly. Color and style. Adding personality to your home in neighborhoods like Coral Ridge or Victoria Park, bold and stylish doors are a signature of Fort Lauderdale's coastal flair. Replacing your door gives you the opportunity to add a splash of personality through color, texture, and design. Bright hues like turquoise, coral, or sun-washed yellow evoke a beachy, welcoming vibe that fits perfectly with Florida's coastal aesthetic. For homeowners seeking a more classic appeal, deep navy or charcoal tones paired with polished hardware offer sophistication and modernity. Adding decorative glass panels or sidelights can enhance natural light inside the entryway, creating a seamless transition between indoors and outdoors, an essential feature in South Florida homes. Improved energy efficiency and comfort. Curb appeal isn't just about looks, it's also about how well your home performs. Older doors often warp or lose their sealing over time, allowing hot air and humidity to seep indoors. By investing in a quality door replacement, Fort Lauderdale homeowners can significantly improve their home's energy efficiency. Modern doors feature insulated cores, weather stripping, and energy-efficient glass options that help regulate indoor temperature, reduce strain on HVAC systems, and lower utility costs. In a climate known for year-round warmth, these upgrades enhance comfort while maintaining the crisp, cool interiors that Fort Lauderdale residents love. Enhanced security and durability. Beyond aesthetics, a new door also strengthens your home's first line of defense. Fort Lauderdale's proximity to the coast makes it essential to choose doors that can withstand moisture, salt air, and seasonal storms. High-impact fiberglass or steel doors are designed to resist warping, corrosion, and forced entry, providing both security and long-term durability. Many models come equipped with advanced locking mechanisms and reinforced frames that meet Florida's stringent hurricane codes. Investing in a secure and weather-resistant door not only protects your home but also gives peace of mind, an invaluable benefit in coastal living. Increased home value and market appeal. For homeowners considering selling, curb appeal plays a major role in attracting buyers and commanding higher offers. A new front door ranks among the top home improvement projects for return on investment, often recouping most of its cost in resale value. In Fort Lauderdale's competitive real estate market, where visual appeal can make or break a sale, an updated door signals that the home is well maintained and move-in ready. Buyers are drawn to homes that blend style, functionality, and durability, qualities that a fresh, modern entryway delivers effortlessly. A small change with big impact. Whether your home sits along Los Olas Boulevard or in a quiet suburban enclave, door replacement offers one of the most cost-effective ways to enhance curb appeal and value. It's a project that merges design, performance, and practicality, creating a welcoming statement that reflects both your personality and pride of ownership. By choosing a stylish, energy-efficient, and durable door suited for Fort Lauderdale's climate, you not only elevate the look of your home but also contribute to the beauty and charm of your neighborhood. A simple door upgrade can open the way to lasting impressions, greater comfort, and an exterior you'll be proud to come home to every day.